Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and I was just feeling to eat some soup. I know that soup is like a big thing on Sunday, like ever since I was growing up. Like we used to always have soup on Sundays. And I just sat down and I was like, you know what, I ain't had soup in a while and I was feeling to have some soup. So I was thinking, you know what, I want some chicken foot, but I feel like adding some cow foot to it. So I'm in my car, ready to go to the store to get the chicken foot and the cow foot, and I will bring you guys in the kitchen with me. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to show your girl some love. Subscribe, hit the like button. Hit me up in the comments. I like to interact with you all. I love to get to know my viewers and my subscribers and stuff. So come in the comments and let's have a chat and let's get into the recipe. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. I have the chicken foot and cow foot, which I went ahead and washed in vinegar and lemon juice. I also will be using some ground provisions, plantains, cassava, sweet potatoes, and eddo root. I also have some chicken noodle soup mix, pumpkin soup mix, as well as some onions, bell peppers, corn, diced pumpkin. I'll be using habanero peppers, thyme, cilantro, green onions, basil, ginger, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some mushroom seasoning. So to begin, I'll start by pressuring my cow foot and the chicken foot, but I'll do the cow foot first in my instant pot. This takes a very long time to cook, so I will not be boiling this. I'm sorry. So I'll pressure this. I will add some salt and then we'll add some water to cover the cow foot. We'll sit the lid on and allow this to go for 2 hours. That's how long it takes to cook. Trust me, because usually when you're using a pressure cooker, things cook fast. Nah, this still takes a long time even though you're using a pressure cooker. So we'll cook this for about 2 hours. Then we'll add the chicken foot. Once the chicken foot is added, we'll allow it to go for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the next step. To a large preheated pot, I did add some oil, and now we'll go in with the aromatics. We'll add the peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, and the herbs. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you want to add the ground provisions as well as the pumpkin and the corn. We'll give that a good stir and let it go for about 2 minutes before we move on with the next step. Next, we're going to come in with our cow foot and chicken foot, give it a good mix. Then we'll add some hot water. We'll also add our seasoning here. Now, what I did with the packet soup was extract all of the seasoning and discard the noodles because I don't want the noodles in my soup. So I use a strainer to just separate it. But if you want to use the noodles, feel free to add the entire package into your soup. Once we give it a good mix, I will add my pepper and thyme, cover this and allow it to cook until all of the ground provisions are nice and tender and the ingredients are well incorporated. Just a quick disclaimer that I did not add the liquid that I pressured the cow foot and chicken foot with. I just added the cow foot and chicken foot alone in here because that liquid is packed with a lot of oil. A lot of oil and fat from the foot came off in there, as well as it has a lot of impurities, which I don't want that in my soup. So I discard the liquid and use fresh water as you see me added here. So after about a good 15 minutes, the provisions should be nice and tender and your soup should be just about done. The last thing we'll add is some dumplings. We'll add the dumplings in here, allow it to go for about 5 minutes because they don't take a long time to cook. As you can see, they're nice and small. We'll give them about 5 minutes and that's it guys. Our soup is finally done. When I tell you I can't wait to dig in, my mouth is literally watering. And here you have it, chicken foot and cow foot soup. If you are a fan of either one or both, this will be perfect for you. It is so filling, delicious, and definitely worth a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!